Brian Young. How we doing, everybody? We're just showing up at Autoworld round 2. We're gonna have some meetings about some exclusives for ProTinkerToys.com. That's ProTinkerToys.com. For round 2, Autoworld. Looking at doing maybe 55 Bel Air in red, yellow flames. What do you think of that, huh, buddy? Hey, yeah, woo, great. Bye-bye. ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and click the notification bell. We're at round 2, Autoworld, their warehouse, and also this is their creative room of all the original model kits. Check out some of these model kits. A&T, Don Gartless. Okay, all the different model kits. Come on down here, look at all this stuff. Look at every model kit. They've had a sample of all the model kits. This is where they take this and then they reproduce this and make a newer model. Okay, look at that, 1964 Belvedere. Whoa, baby, what a car. Oh, come over here, look at this. We've got a Godzilla doll. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Look at this, Ghidra. Look at this, isn't this sweet? This is all round 2. They have all the molds for AMT and they're constantly redoing cars, looking at a mold and say, hey, let's redo this car. Look at this, Godzilla. These are all Aurora Godzillas back in the late 70s. I remember having a Godzilla doll. Oh, damn. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is the Eagle from Space 1999. Have you ever seen Space 1999? The moon blew up and they had to actually, it basically shot the moon because they had too many nukes. And the Eagle probably was the best designed spaceship ever in sci-fi. This ship was so cool. This was 1978 when that came out. That's the Eagle. And this one is this one's the die cast. Oh my gosh, look at that. Holy cow, that is beautiful. Oh. So many cute. Oh, look at this. Look at all the science fiction. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at all the die cast. They've got die cast. This is why, hey guys, hey, come here. This is why round 2 is, that's why the word round 2, they round everything in the way of the hobby. You have every model kit you could possibly imagine. They have all the things that were exciting when I was a kid, and they're still making it. That's why we have all the slot car sets, California Cruising, head to head, all the 130 or 164 scale slot cars. Look at this, Lost in Space, Jupiter 2. You know, my son's kids were over at the house when I was gone, and they destroyed my Jupiter 2. His kids destroyed my Jupiter 2. It's now in pieces, and so now he has to rebuild it. Okay, so over here, come on. Look at all the die cats. Look at all these die cats. Slot cars. Oh, the slot cars are right here. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at some of these. Oh, these are...
That's some die cast.
Oh, that's die cast.
Slot cars here.
Oh, that NASCAR, yes.
Some older ones.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's... I never... Oh, that must have been a while ago.
Yeah, some older ones.
Oh my gosh, that's the state police. Oh, I've never seen these ones. Ooh, these are cool. Oh my gosh. Look at, isn't this amazing? All the neat stuff at round 2. I guess it's got to be exciting to play and work here. Oh, I'm telling you, it's got to be exciting.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I'm sure it's stressful, but it's got to be. I know, I'm serious. You got to come. You got to get the deadline. Oh, look at this, Ultra G. These might be.
These are our latest.
Oh, this is the latest now. Yet?
Our latest ones.
Oh my God! So when are these going to be coming? Or should we be?
No, you're fine with it.
Okay.
You can.
Now I noticed these here. These are the molds that we were seeing in the other.
Those are die cast.
Yes, these are die cast.
Yeah, these are our die cast.
Holy cow! You can't do that for slot
We don't
cars,
have
can
the
you?
truck.
Ah, that's too bad.
Yeah. That's one I want to have.
Oh man, yeah. Look at all the die cast. Holy cow, guys! Look at all these die cast cars. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Is that a doozy? That's a V10 or a V8. Oh man, it's amazing how many model kits AMT had.
Oh yeah.
I mean, this is just amazing. And these are MPC. That's
Yeah.
AMT over there. So now, do you have? Now, do you have? Do you still have all the molds then for each one of these kits, or some of them just deteriorated,
Some
or have been printed too many times?
We have most of them. Some of them, there's parts been lost, and we've got to go back and retool things or repair them. And,
Got it. Okay.
Mhm.
Because they're all in China then, right?
Yes.
Most of
sure.
them. Because weren't they in Iowa at one time? Because they were all weren't they
Correct.
injection mode in Iowa?
Yeah, we're in Iowa. We still have some tools in the back warehouse too.
Okay, so they don't do any injection molding in the U.S. anymore.
No.
Ah, boy. Wow. Oh, boy, look at this kit. That Blue Devil right there. See, now these are the model kits right here, the trips, the New York and the hood.
Uh-huh.
When I was in the Navy, in Groton, Connecticut, I would get those, put those motors in them, put
Those
a
are the
lighter,
ones?
light them.
That's
I wouldn't
cool.
let them run around. And that's why I think they should come back with the model with a motor in them.
Huh.
Because they don't have the motor in them. I think you should get that motor for them so they get motorized. But yeah, these are just, I just can't believe of all the. Oh, and this is Johnny, wait a minute, this is Hot Wheels. Are you guys,
We have the license for some Hot Wheels.
I know the
things that we're doing.
Sizzlers, you did the Sizzlers
Yeah,
almost
many
20 years
yeah,
ago.
We don't have the rights to that. We're doing.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's right. Well, hey guys, we're Tony just gave us a tour of this is kind of their, what would you call it, the creative center?
The creative room.
The creative room. So this must be just like fun all the time. No, I'm just kidding. But it is kind of, it's nostalgic. It's looking at all the things that, guys, when I was a kid, Lost in Space was my show, and I just thought that was in the land of the giants and slot cars. I mean, 1972 is how I got into slot cars with T-Jets, and it's just sweet. So we're here visiting, looking at the new products, looking at new things that we're going to be coming out with, and a lot of neat things are coming out, guys. And we'll be telling you about this over the next couple months and the next couple weeks. This is Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us thumbs bells and thumbs ups and everything up. And have a great day. Bye. Hey, this is Brian Young. This is a recap. We just were at round two Autoworld at the factory, the warehouse, just talking to the owner and the management and about the different things that we're going to be coming out with, exclusive cars we're going to be coming out with, exclusive sets, a lot of things that we're going to be doing through ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. We just went through their creative shop, which was really awesome. All the kits they've had over the last 50 years, 60 years, since 1965 really is when it started. I'm looking at a lot of different cars, potential cars that we're going to be coming out with. We're looking at maybe doing the Terrell 6-wheel for HO. We're going to be coming out with the Bel Air, 1956 Bel Air, 55 Bel Air with yellow flames. And that's going to be coming hopefully next year. But we're going to be doing a lot of things because I'm really committed to the customer and committing to you. And round two is a great company to be joining with. And we just want to thank everybody. And if you have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us thumbs ups, and any notification bells, or click our notification bell so you'll get our latest videos. I am so excited. And I'm going to be doing videos tomorrow. I'm so excited. I just can't tell you the excitement. I'm trying to be as calm as I can, because if I'm not calm, I'm going to be actually going to lose it because I'm so excited. Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Have a great day. Hey guys, I got a California cruising set. They gave me a sample, and we're going to be setting this up tonight, maybe tomorrow, and doing a special live broadcast of the California cruising with the 55 Bel Air and the 56 Ford pickup. This set is sweet. I am so excited. This is Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. We're going to do a special demo of this set, the new California Cruising. California Cruising. I can't do them, but that was the Mamas and the Papas at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll always get an indication of when the next video is going to post. Thank you and have a great day.